In 2025, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. But here's the cosmic twist. You might not see it coming, feel it deeply, or even understand it fully. That's where we come in. By shedding light on these hidden dynamics, you'll be equipped to navigate the year with finesse, turning potential pitfalls into stepping stones for success. Buckle up, Gemini. Because we're about to decode the language of the stars and empower you to own your unique edge in 2025. But first, a quick reminder. If you're not already part of our cosmic crew, hit that subscribe button. It's your direct line to the universe's best-kept secrets. Now let's dive into the Gemini paradox. See, Geminis have always walked this tightrope between two worlds. Two modes of being, the logical and the emotional, the rational and the intuitive. And 2025 is the year when these twins within you, they're taking center stage. The brilliance of this duality is that it gives you a superpower, remarkable adaptability. You can shift and change with the lunar cycles, morphing from being a cool cucumber to a passionate firecracker when the situation calls for it. But here's the catch. Just like any cosmic conundrum, this gift has its challenges. You see, when the going gets tough, this internal tug of war can turn into a full-blown Gemini paradox. You might find yourself torn between your own extremes, your logic screaming one thing, your heartstrings pulling in another direction. So how do you, dear Gemini? How do you leverage this inherent strength and navigate these potential pitfalls? Here's your cheat sheet. In 2025, the universe is urging you to become the ultimate mediator, not between two external forces, but between your internal twins. It's about striking a harmonious balance between your intellectual and emotional realms, your rational mind and your intuitive self. And the best part? You already possess the tools to make this internal harmony happen. Geminis are renowned for their quick wit and their adaptability. Use that razor-sharp intellect to dissect your emotions, to understand your feelings, but don't stop there. Channel that infamous Gemini curiosity into exploring your emotional landscape. Ask yourself why you feel the way you do. Dig deeper and you'll uncover a treasure trove of insights that'll not only help you navigate 2025 with finesse, but also set the stage for a more balanced, harmonious you.